Hello guys. In our last sessions, we have learnt about the visual label filter, page label filter and report label filter. In this session, we will learn about the tilt-through filter. So let's move into Power BI. So this is the Superstare related data. So in this session, we will talk about the tilt-through filter. So let's take one bar graph, and in this graph, on x I am taking category, and in values taken sales. X-axis value size is small, so let's increase the size. Yeah. So you can see there are three categories: technology, furniture, and office supplies, and sales of each categories. So this is the category. Now in drill through basically you have to navigate from summary level to next level, detail level. So let me create another page and then subcategory. So this is subcategory. So let's take bar graph again, and here I will take subcategory on x-axis and sales on values. So you see there are different subcategories. Let me increase the size. Let's make it 20. So as I talk, like in the drill through, we have to navigate from one page to another page. Means we have to uh, see the data from summary level to detail level. So here summary level is category and the detail level is subcategory. So if you see technology, so under technology there are multiple subcategory. Similarly, under furniture and office supplies there are multiple subcategories. Now let's take to card as well. I will explain why I am taking. Let's take category on first card and sales on another. Okay. So now my both page are ready, category and subcategory. So the requirement is if I drill through from technology page, so in the cards it should show technology and the sales should come on technology, and the similarly here all the technologies related subcategories should come. So what I will do, just if you see, this is the drill through filter. So what I need to do, I just need to drag category here, yeah, in the second page, in the subcategory where I in the detail page basically. So now if I go to category page and if I right click and if I see, so you can see this option drill through. Now earlier it was not there, and drill through to subcategory. This is the page name. If you drill through, so see guys, technology and technology related sales and technology related subcategories. Similarly, if you select office supplies, so office supplies related sales and office supplies related subcategory, and it is similar for furniture. So I hope this is clear for you. Thank you everybody.